Whether you're operating a light commercial van fleet, repairing and maintaining commercial trucks, buses, coaches or recycling vehicles, or working with heavy haulage or recovery vehicles, Totalkare has the vehicle lift for you. With adjustable forks for different wheel diameters, and the ability to synchronize between 4 and 8 lifts, our popular mobile column lifts are a flexible option for busy workshops. Cabled and cable-free options are available, while our G8 AC lift is the only genuinely fit-for-purpose wash bay column lift in the UK. For workshops needing a fixed vehicle lifting fixture, Totalkare's heavy-duty 4-post lift is ideal, with lifting capacities ranging from 12,000 to 35,000 kilograms, and platforms ranging from 7 to 18 meters. Totalkare's YMEC lift can be supplied with jacking beam and lighting options, and offers lifting capacities between 25,000 and 35,000 kilograms, perfect for heavy haulage and recovery vehicles. For complete freedom of access around a vehicle, there is no substitute for an in-ground lift. Up to 8 columns can be synchronized at once, with each lifting up to 15,000 kilograms. For light commercial vehicle workshops or those running Class 7 MOT bays, Totalkare's light commercial 4-post is perfect, with various options available ranging from 3,500 to 8,000 kilograms. Need wheel-free access to your light commercial van? Our 2-post lift raises vehicles by the chassis, leaving the wheel arch available to be worked on. Lifting capacities range from 4,000 to 8,000 kilograms. Contact Totalkare today for a bespoke quote.